of 2, and again, I'm just making this up.
Wing.
If we know that f of 2 equals 5, how could I write this point in coordinates? Because right now there are no coordinates here, but there must be a way to write this in coordinate form. Daniel, you have a thought? 2 comma 5. I'm hopeful this is big enough. We'll find out. Josh, when you watch this weekend, let me know if this is big enough writing. I think it is.
Yeah.
That might have been too small.
From the video,
Yeah, because we can't. So this is a point on f of x. We know that. So if this is a point on f of x, what must be a point on the inverse? If this is a point on f of x, what must be a point on the inverse? Lucio, what are you thinking?
Wait, from this equation?
No, this is just made up example.
Oh, -2, -5.
Negative 2 comma negative 5. I do not know that I have to have that point. Javier?
-5.
Negative 5 comma negative 2. I do not know that I have to have that point either. What point has to be on there? Daniel?
5.
Say it?
The 5.
The 5?
No.
Like, sorry, the coordinates of a point that have to be on there are what?
Because you said like switch the y.
Right. So what are the coordinates?
5. 5. 5,
5 comma 2. This point must be on the inverse graph. Because all we're doing is switching the coordinates. I don't know about the negatives, right? Like it could be, could not be. But it has to be that all I'm doing is switching. X, Y, Y, X. X, Y, Y, X. Sergio.
Do you have time to go over number 3 on the homework?
You all should try to solve that out. And then on Monday, I'll be happy to go over it.
That's great.
After you try to solve it out. / make a video of it. Y'all should try to solve it out. It is a hard one, I agree. Okay. What about the following question? What about the following question? What about the following question? What goes inside the blank? What goes inside the blank? 5? Because when I plug in 5 on the inverse graph, I get 2. When I plug in 5 on the inverse graph, I get 2. Yeah, no.
So, like, when they're asking us to do the inverse of points, we don't need a notation?
No, we just swap. That's it, just swap. Now, we might ask you this question. We might say, okay, f of 4 equals 8, and f of 7 equals 4. Find f inverse of 4. So f of 4 equals 8, f of 7 equals 4, find f inverse of 4. So let me model kind of what we're thinking here, so you are correct in your answer. Let's model what we're thinking. The way I would approach this problem is as follows. I would first write both of these as coordinates. So I would write, I know I have this point, and I know I have this point. And these are on the f of x, on the original. Guaranteed to have those points. Guaranteed that on the inverse, I have guaranteed to have these points on the inverse. Swap, swap. So now, Lucio, the answer is 7. F inverse of 4 is 7. F inverse of 4 is 7. Questions? Okay. Let me do one last thing. Okay, so let me take, so I'll do number 2 on the homework. Not super complex, but it's good for me to do it. Okay, so let's restart.